TCL 50S535 50 inches 4K QLED Roku TV. TCL is the most popular brand of Roku-enabled television. Although other companies like Sharp and Hisense also have models that uses the streaming platform. Roku acts much like Apple TV, Fire TV or other smart televisions operating system. It allows you to download streaming apps directly to the TV without the need for external equipment. Roku TVs are also great, budget-friendly options when shopping for a new smart TV. Brands like TCL and Hisense work to keep their prices down in order to make 4K resolution and streaming capabilities more affordable for everyone. With a variety of screen sizes from as small as 32 inches to 75 inches screens, a Roku TV will be at home in almost any room from college dorms to record rooms and home theaters. TCL has established itself as one of the top manufacturers of Roku-capable televisions, and the 5 Series continues that legacy. This model uses QLED technology popularized by Samsung as well as an all-new processing engine to produce stunning 4K UHD resolution with Dolby Vision HDR support as well as over 1 billion colors for more true-to-life images. The screen has surround 80 contrast control zones to create deep, inky blacks and bright, clean whites for enhanced contrast and detailing. And the ultra-narrow bezel gives you an edge-to-edge picture for more immersive experience. Console gamers will love the automatic game mode, which detects when your console is connected and turned on, adjusting picture settings and refresh rates to reduce input lag as well as screen tearing. If you use a virtual assistant, you can connect an external smart speaker like the Amazon Echo or Google Home for hands-free voice control. You can also download the Roku app to your mobile device to use voice recommends for browsing content. With the Roku platform, all of your input connections and apps are together in a single simplified hub menu. Eliminated the need of memorize input and navigate confusing lists to find a movie or show to watch. The back of the TV has integrated cable management channels to help keep your cords and cable organized as well as 4 HDMI inputs so you can connect all of your favorite game consoles and playback devices at once. With a lineup of award-winning televisions, audio products, mobile devices, and appliances, TCL delivers meaningful experience through thoughtful design and the latest technology helping you enjoy more of the things you love.